Hello, and welcome to English Listening Stories. Jake stopped at Subway before a long road trip. He planned to order the same sandwich he always gets, but when he reached the counter, something unexpected happened. His usual choice was gone, so he tried something new. And before he left, he was already thinking about ordering it again. What changed? Let's find out together. Don't worry, the English in this story is slow, clear, and easy to follow. And while you listen, see if you can answer this question. Which bread did Jake finally choose for his sandwich? Listen carefully. The answer is in the story. And when you know the answer, write it in the comments. Writing your answer can help you remember new English and improve your listening skills. Now, let's begin.
Hi there, welcome in.
Hi, thanks.
How's your day going?
Pretty good. I'm a little busy today.
Oh yeah? What's going on?
I'm about to start a long drive.
A long drive today?
Yeah, about 3 hours.
That's not too bad. Where are you heading?
I'm heading to Portland.
Nice. What takes you there?
I'm visiting my brother this weekend.
That sounds like a fun trip.
I think so too. We haven't seen each other in a while.
How long has it been?
About 4 months.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yeah, we've both been pretty busy.
I understand. Life gets busy sometimes.
It really does.
So you're getting some food before the drive?
Exactly. I skipped lunch today.
Really? You must be hungry.
I am. I've only had coffee this morning.
Then you're definitely in the right place.
I hope so.
Do you usually stop here before road trips?
Sometimes it's quick and easy.
Makes sense.
And I can eat part of it now and save the rest for later.
That's a good plan.
Yeah, I need something filling.
Something filling for a long drive.
Exactly.
Got any fun plans with your brother?
We're going hiking tomorrow morning.
Nice. The weather should be great for that.
That's what I heard.
Sounds like a fun trip.
I'm really looking forward to it.
Well, let's get you a good sandwich before you hit the road.
Sounds good to me.
What kind of bread would you like today?
I usually get the honey oat bread.
Ah, about that.
Oh? What happened?
We just ran out of it.
Really?
Yeah, the last loaf was sold a few minutes ago.
Wow, that's bad timing.
I know. I'm sorry about that.
No worries. It happens.
Honey oat is pretty popular.
Apparently.
Do you get it every time?
Almost every time.
So that's your usual choice?
Yep, that's my usual choice.
Then today is a little different.
I guess so.
Are you open to trying something new?
Maybe. What are my options?
We still have Italian wheat and Italian herbs and cheese. Take your time.
I usually don't think much about bread.
Most people don't.
I just order the same thing every time.
A lot of customers do that.
It's easy.
True, but sometimes it's fun to change things up.
That's what people always say.
Sometimes they're right.
Maybe.
What kind of sandwich are you planning to get?
Probably chicken.
Good choice.
That's my usual choice, too.
You really like routines, don't you?
I guess I do.
Nothing wrong with that.
Thanks.
But if you're already changing the bread, maybe today can be different.
Maybe you're right.
Have you ever tried the Italian herbs and cheese bread?
I don't think so.
Not even once?
Nope.
Interesting.
Why?
Because a lot of people who ordered chicken really like that bread.
Really?
Yeah, a lot of people like it.
Huh.
Would you like to hear my recommendation?
Sure. What do you recommend?
I'd go with the Italian herbs and cheese bread.
Really?
Yeah, especially with chicken.
What makes it so good?
It has a little more flavor.
More flavor than the honey oat?
In my opinion, yes.
Interesting.
The cheese on top adds a nice taste.
I never noticed that before.
Most people don't until they try it.
So a lot of people order it.
Oh, definitely.
Really?
A lot of people like it.
You keep saying that.
Because it's true.
Fair enough.
Some customers start with honey oat.
Like me.
Exactly.
Then what happens?
Then they try this one.
And?
Many of them never go back.
That's a big statement.
I know.
Are you trying to sell me on it?
Maybe a little.
I appreciate the honesty.
I'm serious, though.
Sounds like you're a fan.
I am.
What's your favorite sandwich?
Chicken on Italian herbs and cheese.
The exact thing you're recommending?
That's right.
Convenient answer.
It is, but it's true.
Have you worked here long?
Almost 3 years.
Then you've probably seen a lot of sandwiches.
More than I can count.
That's a lot of sandwiches.
It really is.
So if you were me, you'd try it.
Absolutely.
No hesitation?
None at all. What do you think?
Well, my usual bread is gone anyway.
That's true.
And this weekend is supposed to be different.
Exactly.
New trip?
New sandwich.
That's your sales pitch?
Maybe.
You know what?
What?
I'll give it a try.
Great choice.
Let's see if you're right.
I think you'll be happy.
I hope so.
Trust me.
We'll find out soon enough.
All right, what would you like on your sandwich? All right, what protein would you like?
Chicken, please.
Good choice.
That's one thing I'm not changing today.
Fair enough.
Some habits are hard to break.
I can see that.
At least I changed the bread.
That's already progress.
I'll take the small win.
Would you like it toasted?
Yes, please.
Perfect.
It already smells good in here.
Fresh bread helps.
Definitely.
So what are your plans after you get to Portland?
First, I'm meeting my brother for dinner.
Nice.
Then we're going hiking tomorrow morning.
You mentioned that earlier.
Yeah, we've been planning it for weeks.
Sounds like you're excited.
I am.
Is your brother older or younger?
Older.
How much older?
3 years older than me.
That's a good age gap.
We got along pretty well growing up.
That's nice.
We used to do everything together.
Really?
Yeah, sports, camping, fishing.
Sounds like fun.
It was.
What changed?
Mostly work.
That happens.
He moved to Portland a few years ago.
And you've stayed here?
That's right.
So you don't get to see each other often.
Not as often as we'd like.
It's been a while then.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Well, I'm glad you're making the trip.
Me too.
All right, let's add some vegetables.
Sounds good.
Lettuce?
Yes, please.
Tomatoes?
Yes, please.
Cucumbers?
Definitely.
Onions?
Just a little.
Got it.
That's probably enough.
Simple and classic.
That's usually my style.
Nothing wrong with that.
Thanks.
Honestly, a road trip, good food, and time with family sounds pretty great.
I think so too.
I hope you have a great time.
Me too.
All right, let's talk about the sauce. All right, last step, the sauce.
This is the important part.
I agree.
What do you recommend?
For this sandwich, I'd go with chipotle sauce.
That's another recommendation?
It is.
You're making a lot of decisions for me today.
Only the good ones.
That's what you say.
Trust me one more time.
One more time?
Just one more.
All right, I'll give it a try.
Excellent choice.
You seem very confident.
Years of experience.
We'll see about that.
Fair enough.
Is this a popular combination?
Very popular.
You say that about everything.
Not everything, just the good stuff.
Sure, Emma.
I'm serious.
I'll be the judge of that.
That's your job today.
I can handle that.
There we go. Your sandwich is ready.
That looks really good.
I thought you'd like it.
It smells great too.
That's always a good sign.
How much do I owe you?
That'll be $11.49.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thanks for all the help.
No problem at all.
I still have a few minutes before I leave.
Then you should take a bite.
Right now?
Absolutely.
All right, let's find out.
I'm curious now.
You already know what it tastes like.
True, I'm curious what you think.
Fair point.
Go ahead.
Okay?
Well, that's not enough information.
Hold on.
I'm waiting.
Wow, that's good.
There it is.
Wow, that's really good.
Better than expected?
Much better.
Really?
Yeah, I didn't expect that.
The bread?
The bread, the sauce, everything.
I'm glad you like it.
You were right.
I know.
Don't get too proud.
Too late.
Honestly, I think I like this more than my usual order.
That's what I was hoping to hear.
I can't believe I'm saying that.
Sometimes trying something new works out.
I guess it does.
So what happens next time?
Next time?
Are you going back to Honey Out?
I don't know anymore.
That's a big change.
Maybe I'll order this again.
I think you will.
Maybe you know what you're talking about after all.
Finally, some respect.
Don't push your luck.
Fair enough. So, are you ready for the road trip?
I think so.
And you have lunch covered?
Definitely.
Funny how things worked out today.
They really did.
You came in for your usual order.
That's right.
Then we ran out of your favorite bread.
I still can't believe that happened.
Bad timing.
Very bad timing.
At least it turned out okay.
Better than okay, actually.
That's good to hear.
Looking back, it was kind of funny.
How so?
First, I walked in expecting the same sandwich I always get.
Sounds about right.
Then you told me my bread was gone.
Not the best news.
No, it wasn't.
But you stayed open-minded.
I tried.
Then what happened?
Then you gave me a recommendation.
A very good recommendation.
According to you.
According to the evidence.
Fair enough.
And after that?
After that, I decided to give it a try.
Brave move.
It wasn't that brave.
For someone who orders the same thing every time, maybe it was.
You might have a point.
And then came the big moment.
The first bite.
Exactly.
I remember that.
What was your reaction again?
Wow, that's good.
That's what I remember too.
I didn't expect that.
That's still my favorite part.
You looked pretty happy.
I was happy.
You were way too confident from the beginning.
Confidence comes from experience.
Or luck.
I'll take either one.
Fair enough.
So, what's the lesson today?
The lesson?
Yeah,
Maybe trying something new isn't always a bad idea.
I like that answer.
Also, maybe I should listen to sandwich experts more often.
Now you're talking.
Don't get used to it.
Too late.
Well, I should get going.
Your brother is waiting.
He is.
I hope you have a great weekend.
Thanks. I'm really looking forward to it.
Enjoy the hike.
I will.
And enjoy the sandwich.
That won't be a problem.
Good answer.
Thanks again for the recommendation.
Anytime.
Maybe I'll see you next month.
I'll be here.
And maybe I'll order the same thing again.
I knew it.
Don't make a big deal out of it.
No promises.
All right, take care.
You too.
Have a good afternoon.
Have a safe trip.
Thanks. See you next time.
See you next time.
Great job listening today. You spent time with real, everyday English, and every story you listen to helps build your confidence little by little. Before you go, let's look at a few useful expressions from today's conversation. The first one is, "It's been a while." Native speakers use this when they have not seen someone for a long time. Next, we have, "Give it a try." This means to try something new. And one more useful expression, "change things up." This means to do something differently than usual. Now, let's go back to our listening question. Which bread did Jake finally choose for his sandwich? Write your answer in the comments below. Writing in English is great practice, and it can help you remember the story longer. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe to English Listening Stories for more relaxing listening practice. And if you'd like to support the channel and help us create more stories, you can also become a channel member. Thank you for listening. Take care, keep listening, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next English Listening Stories. Goodbye.